What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, checking in. And today I want to tell you about how to get out of the field when you stuck in the field, right? So, because a lot of times we start these cleaning companies, and then you start cleaning all these buildings, and you making some decent money, but then the problem becomes, damn, I can't figure out, how to hire these people and get myself out of this field. Like, I don't know what to do. You know what I mean? I'm getting complaints as soon as I put people in there, so then I end up back in the field. Or you hire people, put somebody in the field, and then you don't make enough money to pay your bills, right? So I just want to do a quick video real quick to let y'all know how to get out of the field. My son coming out here blasting out music, distracting me. But anyway, uh, but I'm gonna show you how to get out of the field. You know what I mean? And so what I'm gonna do, but before I show you how to do it, first I'll remember this. Clean Biz Network conference tickets are available at cbnconference.com. It's on June 29th and 30th, so make sure you get your tickets now. Also, Clean Biz Automation course. When you get a Clean Biz Automation course, you get lifetime access to Clean Biz Network, and I'm stopping that on the 31st of May. So you only got a couple of days. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Go to cleanbiznetwork.com to get the Clean Biz Automation course as well. I put the link in the comments. But now let's go ahead and jump into this. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a clip that I did from Friday. Actually, this was last Friday. Somebody asked exactly how to do this. How do you get out the field when you're stuck in the field? So I'm gonna play this clip. I killed it in this clip, and it's gonna tell you exactly how to do it. And nobody want to tell y'all this, but y'all know me. I'm gonna tell you the real. Even sometimes I don't like to tell y'all this because it's that real. But anyway, this is exactly how you do it. Just real quick. I got 2 cents on that. I do think that you definitely can get to a point where you're completely out of the field. You definitely can. But the thing is, you just have to build to that point. So I'm gonna start real low, like micro level, and then I'm gonna go to the mindset it's gonna take to get there. So just addressing right now, when you say you got to make enough money to pay your bills, I've definitely been there. That's how my cars got repo. Because here's what I did: I literally picked a date because I realized how it was gonna go. I picked a date and I said, okay, starting on this date, I'm not cleaning no more. If I can't like if the person calls out, I'm sending plan B person. If plan B person call, I'm sending plan C person. If I can get nobody else to go, then I'm at peace with calling the customer tomorrow morning because you know in the buildings we clean at night. Tomorrow morning, and I'm deeply apologizing and explaining that we didn't have anybody that could show up today, and I'll give you a credit on your statement, or we're doing a makeup clean at night. Or if it was a 5 day account, then you know it ain't no makeup clean tonight because you had to come tonight anyway. But I'm promising them we'll be there out tonight and we'll take extra care of them. You get a credit on your statement. So that's the answer. Is like you just got to make the decision that you ain't doing it no more, and you got Plan B and C to do it. But here's the problem: when you do that and you pick that date and ain't no like you ain't going no more, guess what? Now, like you said, how the hell you gonna pay your bills when you was used to getting that 6 grand a month, 5 grand a month, cleaning all of them yourself, and now you don't hire for every building, so that 6 grand done turned into what, two, three? I mean, somewhere around 2,500. So, and your bills is 4,000. So guess what? This is what I did. First, we're gonna start with the important bills. All right, rent getting paid. No, I mean, actually, we downsized. We moved from our single family house that we bought. We turned that to a rental property. We moved to the projects, and I got lucky on that part. My wife got approved for housing, so the income was based on her income because she wasn't my wife yet. And get this the real shit. And I got to get it to you straight so you can understand how you got to play some time with this shit. So that happened. All right, certain. Hey, we ain't got the car no money. We ain't got the car no money. You know what I mean? Like you got to get out here and be fuck it. You know what I mean? You got to go straight savage on it if you serious about building a system out of it, and you really want to get to that level. Then from then on, okay, bam. At least you making something though, right? You making what, 40% after everything. So that 40% of 6,000, all you got to do now, because you're gonna be the full time salesperson now. Get out here and sell more. Get out here and sell more, and turn that 40% of 6,000 into 40% of 16,000. That's what you're gonna have to do. Okay, so now let's go to the macro level. I just gave you the straight up micro level where you at right now, right? So micro, you got to look at it like this. Excuse me, macro, the big picture. When the last time you seen like the CEO of ABM ain't going out there? The CEO of Jam Pro ain't going to clean nobody building. None of them. None of these big multi-million. If they do, it's because they just trying to document it for social media or something. It's a photo op. You know what I mean? They ain't nobody doing that shit. So Sam Walton ain't doing the cash register if he was still alive. I mean, but whoever the boss is ain't doing it. Jeff Bezos ain't processing nobody order on Amazon, bro. So you can do it, but you also got to remember this. Look how many bad reviews that Amazon has, that Walmart has, that Jam Pro has, that all these people have, right? They got all these bad reviews, right? So here's the answer. I'm talking about macro now. This is the mindset you got to have. You just got to make enough people happy. You got to make more people happy than you make upset. You got to have more 5-star customers than you got 2-star. And just accept the fact that we got some 2 stars on 1 stars. Just accept the fact that everybody ain't gonna be happy. You just got to come at peace with that shit and make sure you getting at least 10 new clients while losing 3 new clients the same month. And make sure and that's what systems are all about. You got to have, I mean, be able to manage that churn and be able to like let it go. Okay, damn, that's a $5,000 month contract. I can't let them go. No, you like, but again, but that's the only, but it's easy to be like that when you won't got no other options to get another $5,000 a month contract. You know what I mean? So it's like, but if you got a system in place where you know you can get those again and again, we ain't scared no more. So it just, you really got to build your way there, but it's gonna start off first with, bam, fuck it, I ain't working no more on that date. And guess what I did on the side when I realized I ain't working no more that date, and I'm only taking in number $1,500 or $2,000 a month now when I was used to getting 8 or whatever I was getting. All right, well, fuck it. I guess I'm ride sharing on the side. I guess I'm doing Uber Eats. You know what I mean? I guess I better goddamn write an ebook and sell that bitch. I guess I better. I told you I got the rental property. Oh, guess what? I'm finna talk on YouTube too. They do checks. Know what I mean? You better figure. You gotta hustle. But that's the answer. My bad for taking longer than I planned to.
Man, that was so good. That was so good, AJ. That was so good.